today's video, we explore the beautiful Sheraton Abu Dhabi Hotel and Resort. So come along with us as we explore the lobby, the pool and beach, the gym, the room, restaurant and the club. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more travel videos like this. Let's get started. The hotel is located by the Corniche, which means you are closer to waterfront and can enjoy stunning views of the city. Plus, you're just a short drive from some of Abu Dhabi must-see spots like the iconic Emirate Palace, the majestic Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque, and the Louvre. If you're up for a walk, you can even explore the surrounding area. It's lively, but not overwhelming. Now to the lobby. As soon as you step into the lobby, you are greeted by a sense of elegance and calm. The space is beautiful with high ceilings and warm lighting. The staff were so welcoming and made the check-in process seamless. However, they couldn't upgrade me due to the high occupancy during my stay. Now let's explore the amenities provided by the hotel. The first place we will check in is the private beach and the pool. The private beach is like an oasis tucked away from the city's hustle. It's peaceful, clean, and perfect for relaxing. The pool is amazing. There's a family-friendly pool, a lagoon-like area, and plenty of space to lounge around. Now to the gym. The hotel offers a well-equipped gym for those who enjoy working out while traveling. They had treadmills, free weights, machines, and more. When I visited, it wasn't crowded and it opened 24/7. Now to the lounge. Now, this is something that I felt that it was a bit underwhelming for a lounge. It was just an open space where you can get a tea or coffee in the morning and not really a place that you will want to hang out during the day. In the evening, you get some refreshment and canapé. But other than that, it was a nice amenity to have. Now let's look into the restaurant. For breakfast, you will need to go to the main restaurant Flavours. Here, they had lots of options to choose from. However, it felt like they had more Indian option than what you will get at other Marriott brand hotels. The breakfast wasn't too bad. I actually enjoyed the food and ensured to grab a bite every morning while I was here. At this same restaurant, they do serve dinner, but it comes with a hefty cost. I prepaid for my meals at check-in to get a discount. However, the dinner was true let down. I wasn't too impressed with what it was being served for the price that I paid. Also, the staff at the restaurant were not as attentive and not as friendly. So my recommendation is to eat elsewhere, as there are many other restaurants in Abu Dhabi that are going to be much better. The hotel also had many other restaurants, but I did not go to any of them, so I won't be able to show you here. Now let's head to the room. Alright, so this is the room tour. So when you walk in here, you do have a large bedroom here, which is a king size bed. And on this side here, this is basically just an open concept. It's one bedroom room or studio. So on this side here, you do have the TV right here. It's a huge TV, of course. And then here you have a sit-down chair where you can sit and relax. And then over there walks out to the balcony. We'll show the balcony later on. And on this side here, you do have another sit-down area where you can sit with the table. And I was able to get a welcome amenity that I have here presented to me. And then from here, there's a nice, cool looking decor of a clock there. Here you also have regular outlet. You don't need to bring an additional portable outlet for you to use. And then you do also have two USB chargers right there, or port. And then this nice cool looking lamp that you have. And then it creates this dome in the ceiling, which is super nice in the room here. So, and then we saw already the bed. It's a king size bed. And we'll move on to this side here where you do have actually a little coffee area. Underneath it, there's a fridge, and then there's also some storage space. But here you do get a coffee, different types of instant coffee, and then with cream. And also you do have sugar, 2 cups given to you, and then complimentary water as well. And then you have the kettle right there for you to be able to make the coffee. And then we're gonna move on to this side here where you can sit. There's a sit down area for you to get ready. And there's a nice mirror there and a nice couch or chair for you to be able to sit there. And then they also give you additional towels there as well. Underneath here, on this side here, you can see there's also additional hand towels And on this area here, you have a lot of amenities that they provide to you that you need, toothbrush and everything else. And then you do have also additional complimentary water, because in most cases they want you to use their water bottles for you to brush your teeth, so you're not using that faucet water, which is something I always recommend to avoid as much as you can. On this side here, you have the timer, basically when you're using the hair dryer. As well, there's different type of voltage that you can use depending on your equipment, from which country you have it from. And then here you do have a mirror as well, double side mirror, another additional mirror over here, and the nice beautiful sink, and here with a nice toilet, looks real nice. You have a trash area there. There's an additional phone here if you need to call. Right here you do have the two beautiful robes that they provide to you. Again, I'm just for myself here, so I can use one for one day and the other ones for the other days. So as you can see, there's more towels here. And as we walk in here, you have the shower, which is a rain shower, which is a plus. I really love rain showers. And then here you do have the amenity they provide to you for as far as like shampoo, soap, and more. So as you can see, beautiful eyes by Gilchrist and Soames. So really nice product here. But yeah, so this is really the actual room. And for those of you who are weight conscious, they do have a weight set there, or a balance for you to balance yourself every morning. If you're on the vacation, I would say don't do that. And then for the door, to close it, the door just, you can slide the door, and then now you have a privacy there, especially if you're staying with one or two people here. And then down here towards the front of the entrance area, you do have a closet where you can store your stuff. Plenty of hangers, laundry bag, slippers given to you. This is for you to use for your shoes. When you're putting your shoes on, it actually helps you. So that way you're not bending over, you can just hold it in there. And then you also have a iron board, and then you have the iron right there. And this looks pretty cool. So it's a small room, but it's big enough for me. I booked the king room and was given a king room with a view, but it was not a true view, to be honest. When you walk in, you have a closet on the left side. The room was spacious with modern decoration. I was actually surprised on the size of the room. It was not the upgrade that I wanted, but it will do for a few nights that I stayed here. You have a nightstand and a school lamp on the other side of the bed. There's also a TV for your enjoyment, and the bed was comfortable. They also had a coffee machine and a mini fridge. As for the bathroom, it was modern and really nice. It only contained a single vanity, which was not an issue for me, but it can be bothersome if traveling with your significant other. The shower was nice, and it had all the amenities that one will need, such as toothbrush, soap, shaving kit, and more. You also get 2 robes for usage while at the hotel. Just don't try to take them home. Overall, my stay at the Sheraton Abu Dhabi Hotel and Resort was great. I really enjoyed the location, amenities, and the room. There are a few other areas that the hotel could do better, like in the customer service area from the restaurant staff. Other than that, it is a great hotel. I will meet you next stay at Abu Dhabi. Hope you enjoyed this hotel tour. If you did, smack the like button, and if you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.